I could do it, you can do it.
And this is my handyman, handy woman. Okay.
Alright guys, so today we are working on insulations, walls, and the fireproof walls. So what we gotta do is first we gotta cut everything into the right space. Okay, this is called improvisation. Improvisation. Okay, guys. Improv. Okay, I didn't have all the right cutting tools, but we just used a flat table to cut this.
First plywood done.
Woo! We're about 1/3 done, guys. And it is not easy. It's a lot of labor work, a lot of time, a lot of patience, and a lot of cutting. All right, so here is just, as you can see, just the insulation onto the truck, and then the wood, and then the fireproof walls are gonna go up. All right, so boom, half done. Right now, we are about 95% done. Going on, but in the next few days, we're gonna wrap this up, and we're gonna bring in the stuff, put it in, and then we'll be done. Okay, I'm just joking. We still got the hood, and the windows, and stuff like that. But yeah, see you on the next video.